Hey guys, I'm Sir John. I came all the way from Los Angeles to share my tips with you guys about makeup, celebrity hacks, and things like that. So I hope you like it. So today on my beautiful model Franza, we're gonna go in for the ultimate day look. So this is something you can do every day, all day, any day. It's all about complexion. So I'm gonna go for Woolie's BB cream, and this happens to have an SPF of 15. So sun protection is the name of the game. You wanna make sure that you're protecting yourself from environmental pollutants. I'm using a sponge and I'm wetting it, so this gives a really organic property to the look and feel of your makeup. So if you notice, I'm not gonna lacquer the face from forehead to chin, but I'm gonna give a very thin veil of complexion everywhere. So I like to use BB cream because this happens to give a very sheer, organic quality to the skin. It looks like you woke up with just beautiful, luminous complexion. So once your complexion is in a really good place, you wanna go in and start to build on the complexion. We're building a bit of contrast by using the Woolie's Face Powder Blush. It happens to give a really peach soft glow. So you wanna see the apples of the cheeks. Wherever you see the most fat when you smile, and that's where you wanna deposit the most color. Blush offers your skin a bit of a charming quality. It makes you look healthy, and it gives you an overall radiance. So I'm gonna go for the Woolie's Brow Kit. I love this brow kit. You just wanna fill in the holes. You don't necessarily need tons of heavy eyebrows to hit the mark. But after filling in the gaps, you'll see exactly where your arch wants to go. So we want the eyes to speak, but we want there to be a harmonious environment for the cheeks and the lips. So now we're gonna take a little bit of a liquid luminizer. I'm taking my ring finger and we're gonna apply this directly onto the ball of the eye, and this is gonna catch our shadow. So after we're done with that, we're gonna take our Woolie's eyeshadow palette. This gives me everything I need in one place. And we're gonna tap this directly onto the luminizer. So the goal is just to reflect light. I'm using a very stiff brush to deliver the color. What it does is it doesn't allow any of the shadow to fall down. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a brush that has no product on it and we're gonna go and softly blend. I'm gonna opt for one of the grayer, cooler browns in the collection, and we're gonna give her a bit of color in the crease. So after we're done with shadow, we're gonna go directly into mascara. Mascara is so important when making eye contact. You wanna make sure that you give a bit of love to the top and bottom lashes. I'm not gonna go into any eyeliner. I feel like it's enough of a look. We're gonna go directly onto lips. So lips in the daytime can be a soft statement, but they don't have to be literal. So I don't want you to use a lip liner. We're gonna go directly onto the tube with a color called Peachy. And we're not gonna use any lip liner at all. So this is great, and I love how juicy and sheer it looks, but I wanna make it even more sheer. Blot, and blot for me one more time. So you see how this is a barely there lipstick now? That's the goal. And also on top of that, we're gonna take a bit of lip balm. I love this Rose Gold Gloss by Woolie's. It looks like just the most barely bare tinted lip balm. I love it, perfect. So this is it. This is the ultimate day look, and this translates anywhere, from picking up your kids from soccer practice to having lunch with your girlfriends.